is Ravi Kunju, and I'm the Senior Vice President at Altair. And our mission has always been to do simulation-driven design and manufacturing. And what we are showcasing here at this show is Inspire software that goes right from ideation all the way to, from art all the way to the part. And what we're trying to show here is we generate design. We are the leaders in topology optimization. And what we are trying to show here is taking into consideration what the performance requirements are. We also are completely cognizant of what the manufacturing process is. So what you see here is, you see 5 different parts here. They all meet the same requirements, but at the same time, each design is different because each one is designed for a particular manufacturing process, and it's done automatically.
Okay.
So based on the constraints, we call it, it creates a design. This was done with fused deposition with desktop metals printers, and this one was with desktop metals binder jetting process of additive manufacturing. This is a conventional machining. This was done with hybrid 3D printing of sand casting, sand mold, and then casting.
Okay.
And this is a traditional laser melting, and this was done with 0 supports. So you could see that we could nest all these parts, and there's no removal of support structure at all. There's no support here at all. So you could see how this was actually printed out of this.
All of these
on the same belt,
right.
and the same belt. So our game to fame is basically creating design for a specific manufacturing process.
Okay.
And so this is what we are highlighting here, and we introduced 2 products here at Formnext. One was Inspire Print 3D as part to do the whole simulation, and the other is Inspire Studio, which takes the creative process from ideation all the way to creating stunning structures, including some of the things that you'll see around our booth, including a pen that we created that was specifically to nest as many of them for that particular process. The various paths that you see here itself kind of specify the trends in additive manufacturing, because as and when you go from traditional manufacturing, and so you could see this is traditionally manufactured with a casting part, and this is traditionally manufactured with the conventional machining, and then the other 3 are the additive manufacturing processes. This is hybrid additive with traditional manufacturing, and the other 2 are additive manufacturing. So based on the volume of production, based on the size of your part, and based on the cost that is associated with each one of them has a place. And we are also seeing growing interest in high-speed 3D printing, which is a promise that some of the binder jetting companies like Desktop, like X1, and like HP have promised.
They're all under a council as
Right.
well.
So our idea is, how can we create these kind of organic structures very well, which we do that very well, but also to create support structures and lattices and other things. And that's the reason why we're exploring working with Den-drite to see what they can bring to the table. And we're part of the development council because we want to understand what the technology is all about before we start using it effectively.
Yeah, and you presented at the breakfast yesterday. What did you think of the breakfast?
Yeah, I think it was a great networking opportunity, and I think all a great team, a lot of energy, and Harshil and those guys are doing their best to bring this technology. And I wish them the best of luck, and I think it was a well-organized developer council, and we got good information about where you are. And we got to meet other peers who are in the same boat as us, trying to explore what Den-drite has to offer to us in this arena.
Thank you. Well, it was a pleasure to meet you, Ravi.
Same here. Same here.
We'll see you at the next shows.
Will do.